Before I begin, I want to respectfully acknowledge that we are located on Treaty 6 territory, traditional lands of First Nations and Métis people. Welcome everyone to the celebration honoring the Doctor of Dental Surgery class of 2021. Like all of you, I wish we could celebrate together in person, but I'm thankful to at least be here virtually to share in this important milestone with you. I know that the past year hasn't been easy for you. So many of the ways you normally connect with each other and with your studies had to change due to the pandemic. But still, you found the strength and resilience to forge ahead in your courses and clinical rotations. You persevered with your contributions to the community, providing invaluable care through the Oral Health Clinic on campus and the Shine Clinic at the Boyle Macaulay Health Centre. Your fundraising efforts through the Drive-In Charity Ball brought in $45,000 towards dental care for remote communities in Alberta and the North. You never once let COVID-19 get in the way of helping others. You consistently rose above the significant challenges of completing a demanding degree during a pandemic. And you should all be very proud of yourselves today. Witnessing your strength and resolve over the past year, I have full confidence in the bright future awaiting you. So today, you enter the healthcare profession, where you will bring together the skills and compassion you have honed throughout your studies. Like your degree, your career will challenge and inspire you, stretch and reward you. So all of us at the Faculty of Medicine and Dentistry are proud of what you've accomplished. In everything you do from this day forward, I know you will represent a highly regarded School of Dentistry and the entire faculty with pride and professionalism. And I know that every day you will make a positive difference in the lives of your colleagues and your patients. Congratulations.
Greetings, new graduates. On behalf of the School of Dentistry's faculty and staff, it's an absolute honor to be addressing all of you today during spring convocation. For many students, earning a university degree would not have been possible for the love and support of family and friends. Graduation is a time to reflect and acknowledge the support and encouragement you have received during your years at university. Therefore, I would like to take this opportunity to personally thank all of the family and friends who provided you the support you needed to get through these past few years. You made it here today because of all of them. Thank you. After years of hard work and challenges, you are ready to move on to the next level of life's journey. But before you do, I would like to reflect on some of your accomplishments. Number one, you learned a solid foundation of curriculum content through a greater integration of biomedical, basic science, and dental content. Number two, you embraced a reflective and socially responsive and professional collaborative practice of care through your work in the comprehensive care teams. Number three, you engaged in research and scholarly activities through programs like the Summer Research Program. Number four, you participated in providing much needed care to vulnerable and underserved populations through your rotations in our northern satellite clinics with Shine at the Boyle Macaulay Health Centre and the Glenrose Rehabilitation Hospital. Lastly, you have gained the essential skills to work successfully in a complex, interconnected, and rapidly changing world. The COVID pandemic has revealed your resiliency, preparedness, and commitment moving forward no matter what obstacles arise. With COVID easing up, it is our hope that your journey, whether you'll be entering private practice or continuing your higher education, will be a little less stressful. The responsibility you have as a healthcare provider should not be taken lightly. You have earned this right, and it is important to remember that the way you conduct yourself now will set the tone for who you will become in your profession. As you move into the next phase of your lives and careers, you have many decisions to make. We hope that we have provided you with enough knowledge to make good decisions that will result in positive outcomes and propel you to the next level. Don't be afraid to fail. Instead, worrying about the chances you miss when you don't even try. Failure can be a learning experience. You just have to be willing to pick yourself up, learn from the failure, and move on. New opportunities and successes are just around the corner. When things open up, there might be opportunities for you to celebrate in person, and I look forward to hearing about your plans. For now, I raise a virtual toast to you in obtaining your Doctor of Dental Surgery degree. On behalf of everyone at the School of Dentistry, We celebrate with you and wish you the very best as you begin your career. Once again, congratulations.
Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Bruce Yahelnitsky. As the president of the Alberta Dental Association and College, I would like to congratulate the class of 2021 on receiving their degree, the Doctor of Dental Surgery from the University of Alberta. This is a wonderful time in your life as you take your next step in the profession of dentistry. It is a fabulous profession. I've been practicing for almost 40 years, and it wasn't until last year when I was shut down for 2 months because of the pandemic that I realized how much I loved it and how much I missed it. For many of you, this will be the end of your formal education. Some of you will proceed on to graduate school, and good for you. However, you now move into the continuing education realm, and improving skills and knowledge are required for a lifetime in dentistry and for the benefits of your patients. That part of education should be towards things that you like or feel you need to improve on. It shouldn't be just to make up hours as required by the licensing body in the province you may practice in. Dentistry is stressful, so it's really important that you enjoy what you do. When I graduated in 1982, one of my professors said to me, "There are many facets to dentistry and you don't have to like them all. And if you don't like certain parts, then concentrate on what you do like. You will do much better." So after dental school, I decided I would do a mini residency in Adelaide, Australia, doing pediatric dentistry. Australia was fabulous. Pediatric dentistry, not so good. I still can't fit a stainless steel crown. I decided to go into general practice, and after 6 years, I found myself struggling with the lack of knowledge that I thought I required for every facet of dentistry. I also was struggling with the need to jump from chair to chair and change hats from restorative to endo to pedo to ortho. It was really, I found it very difficult, and I credit general dentists for what they do. But I decided to go back to graduate school and basically learn more about less. And I became a periodontist, and I really haven't looked back from that time. I've really never complained about delivering periodontal therapy. You know, I may have complained about the odd patient and the odd staff member, but I love doing the treatment that I got the skills to provide. I feel dental careers are broken into 3 parts. The first 5 to 10 years, most new dentists are working hard on their skills, improving their speed and refining their ability to treatment plan. And I use the Ford commercial, quality is job one. The second phase involves learning the business of dentistry, human resources, marketing. It's often when dentists move from the associate position into the owner-operator position. And the third phase of dentistry is when the combination of 1 and 2 sync together. It's like a group of musicians coming together to form beautiful music. This is the most enjoyable time as you are comfortable with all of your skills. One of the greatest challenges you will have as a health profession is ethics. The majority of you have significant debt coming out of school. When you are recommending treatment, will it be because you are selling dentistry, or is it in the best interest of the patient and allows them to have informed decisions on their own treatment? This really isn't a new question. I've personally been asking myself this question from the day I started practicing. My last point relates to what you have gone through in the last year. The pandemic has been a challenge, and you've come through it. Throughout your dental career, you will have ups and downs. Look at challenges as learning experiences. They can make you a better person, and they will make you a better dentist. Again, congratulations, good luck, and I wish you well.
Congratulations, DDS class of 2021. My name is Dr. Navi Barge, and I am a University of Alberta alumni from the DDS class of 2019. I'm also the Dental Alumni Association president. I've had the great pleasure of knowing many, if not all of you, when I was a dental student as a senior classmate, and today is a day of celebration for everyone in your class. All of the hard work, the painful hours in the sim lab, to staying up in our lab, pouring up casts and doing all the things a dentistry student should be doing is now coming to an end. Today, like I said, is a day of celebration. Make sure that you have a great time today. You hug your parents, you call your loved ones, you enjoy your time being a student and now progressing to a dental professional in Alberta and across Canada and North America. The first thing I want to say is you are now dental alumnus from the University of Alberta, and we are a very, very proud group of individuals across Canada and North America that are proud of our education and our time spent at the University of Alberta. The Dental Alumni Association are here to recognize and to represent all alumnus from the School of Dentistry, but also to be there as a unifying body for all individuals that have gone through the process in the 4 years of becoming a dentist in Edmonton, Alberta. Now, I know things are a lot different than graduating 20 years ago. The brave new world of dentistry is a lot different with regards to this pandemic. I was one of those new dentists that graduated right before the pandemic and have been part of this new future of COVID-19 in dentistry and being an associate. I do want to tell you that the future is still very, very bright. The training that you have received at the University of Alberta, the skills that you have fine-tuned and learned over the last 4 years are going to be very, very well used outside in private practice. Be sure that all the time spent with clinical instructors in didactic teachings and all the knowledge that you have built over these last years will very much prepare you for dentistry in the future. I do want to give you a couple of points of advice and some nuggets that were given to me by some sage old dentists that I felt were very wise and very helpful with me becoming a new dentist and working out in the public. First is your first job is most likely not going to be your last job. If you find that you're not a good fit at the clinic you are, do the best thing for yourself and move to another opportunity for you to best succeed. As long as you do it in a respectful manner, you need to look out for yourself and look out for your future. And if you're not comfortable in seeing that you can grow to the great opportunities that you have, look for a better one, because you will find one. Second, try to live a little bit frugal these first couple years. Put some money aside for the rainy day. You never know, another pandemic might be around the corner or something else. Having a little bit of money aside is really good, and act like a student your first couple years when it comes to your finances. Federal taxes do hit you hard the first couple times, so make sure that you have some money aside. Thirdly, talk to your patients. I know we are always taught with the old adage of treat your patient like you would your mom, your dad, your sibling, your family. But when you do get busy, some of that talking and advice and discussions you have with your patients might fall aside. But I do really want to have you focus in these first couple years on discussing with your patient the treatment plans you have, what you're doing, and get some informed consent and educate your patients with regard to some dental knowledge that they might not know prior. Fourth, give profound anesthesia to your patients. There are some things that your patients remember with your dental visit. Number one, did you talk to them? Were you approachable? Number two, did they feel anything? Give really good freezing. And number three, how fast that treatment was. Now, when you start, it might take you some time, but focus on the quality of work rather than the speed. The speed will come, I promise you. The first couple months is exponential growth as a dentist. Focus on the quality of treatment. The same quality of treatment that you provide at the University of Alberta should be your goal when you're 2 years out, 2 months out, 20 years out, 40 years out, until you retire. That same quality and that same excellence to care that you learned at the University of Alberta should be given to the patients that you see. Number 5, be a lifelong learner. Continued education is very important. Commit to that excellence that you learned in your dental education in the last 4 years and grow on that. You'll find that there are lots of niche abilities that dentists have that they can provide to their patients, and if you are excited or interested in one of them, excel in it. Take the continuing education, become a better dentist every 2 years. Don't take CE points just because you have to. Take them to give better treatment and be able to be a better dental provider for your patients. And finally, give back to your community. I know as students, and especially with the class of 2021, you've been very much involved with different outreaches to the community, the Shine Dental Clinic, Sharing Smiles Day, many others that I remember when I was a student, and you have taken it to greater heights. Continue that. I advise you all to give back to the community, maybe as an alumnus through the Dental Alumni Association, maybe as a preceptor at the Shine Dental Clinic, and maybe even as a part-time clinical instructor at the University of Alberta. Giving back to our community is something very important and something that will reap the great benefits in the future for you. So once again, I want to wish you all great luck graduating. Once again, you've succeeded. You've done the hardest things imaginable in the last 4 years, but all of this is due to the hard work and the success that all individuals in your class have put forward. So once again, best of luck in the future, and have a great day.
Graduation or convocation is an endpoint as it marks the end of your time at the University of Alberta. However, this time has simply been a phase in your life journey. And while your phase of life at the University of Alberta ends, it immediately leads to new life phases and new beginnings. Today, we can reflect on what has occurred over the last 4 years, and we also must look ahead. New plans, new goals, new experiences. Embrace them. Over the last 4 years, you've been inundated by a massive amount of knowledge about the oral cavity. However, while you have absorbed and processed this knowledge, you have only scratched the surface of the vast amount of material available about dentistry. The knowledge seems to expand exponentially annually. You must continue to learn. In fact, learning is mandated by the various dental regulatory bodies in North America. On a personal note, after my graduation, I practiced general dentistry for 3 years. I found what I liked and what I liked less. Ultimately, endodontics was my choice. But there were so many questions about endodontics that I couldn't answer, and I realized I needed more knowledge. Back to school I went. This path is not suitable for everyone, but what is necessary for everyone is constant learning. One good way to more knowledge at a value price is to join your local dental society. Besides gaining knowledge, you will get to reconnect with friends and classmates, and this networking can be a valuable part, or a part of a valuable learning experience. The need to learn is imperative as dentistry is continually evolving. For an example, when I graduated from the postgraduate endodontic program at the University of Michigan, there were no apex locators, no fingertip controlled heating devices, no nickel titanium files, no rotary instrumentation filing systems, no digital radiographs, no Calamus light devices, no small field CBCT scans, no operating microscopes, and no articaine. Things change. Patients are very important. Patients are your practice. Treat your patients well in a manner like how you would want to be treated. Be courteous, be polite, be respectful. Provide services that are of value to the patient. You also need to be available. You may need to work late, work after hours, or work on a planned day off. Earn the respect of your patients. Listen, listen, listen to what the patient is telling you. Ask perceptive questions to learn more about the patient's problem while you listen. Listening is huge, and do not prejudge. After listening, a thorough examination is needed, then a discussion with the patient. Spend some time. It will do wonders for your relationship with the patient. Think and then evaluate. Be patient. If a situation seems to go awry, pause, reassess, don't panic. Apply your vast knowledge and make a logical decision. Remember what you have been taught and why it was taught. Formulate a logical conclusion to the situation and then apply the solution. In the past 4 years, you should have developed a good understanding of your own personal competence. You need to be able to know your limitations. You do not have to do everything. Follow and implement the basic procedures that you've been taught. Personally, I do not attempt extractions unless I can do them with my fingers. I do not attempt periodontics, although I appreciate what a good periodontist can do. Composite resin restorations, everyone listening likely knows more than I do. However, I do good endodontics, always with a rubber dam. With a bit of review, I could do a serviceable amalgam restoration or a class 5 direct gold restoration. Avoid getting boxed in where you commit to a procedure you are not comfortable with. Finally, enjoy your chosen career. There are many benefits to being a dentist. Enjoy what you do. Derive personal satisfaction from a job well done. Dentistry should be rewarding, and I do not mean in a monetary way. Take time for yourself. Days off, vacations, and time for your family are essential for your own personal well-being. You will return to your practice refreshed and invigorated. A balanced life is important, and it will make life easier for you to enjoy your chosen career. At this time, I'd like to thank everyone in the class of 2021 for the honor that they have bestowed on me. I would also like to thank Michelle for mentoring me through the last few weeks. Good luck to each and every one of you.
It is my honor to introduce the graduates of the University of Alberta Doctor of Dental Surgery class of 2021. Zema Abushawashi, Kamran Ahmadi, Jessica Ashley Naude Arma, Harleen Aluk, Sama Banai, Reed Boulay, Nicholas DeBlanco, Shiki Dong, Janil Doshi, Jennifer Drever, Alana Dupuis, Robert Fedorak, Aaron Fong, Jason Gall, Ahmed Helmi, Fatin Hikmat, Tasha Ho, Jacqueline Huynh, Walter Unikiewicz, Ryan Kelm,
Young Kyung Kim,
Patrick Cooney, Kaylee Law, Joylee Labrador Stacy, Eleanor Leatach, Ivan Lin, Michelle Lee, Cole Mary, Evan Mueller, Layli Najafi, Raul Raj, Nicole Robbins, Matthew Roshko, Taylor Ruther, Divya Sharma, Shin Shen, Devesh Shukla, Amit Soni, Shrija Subashraj, Emily Sunwu, Murray Shostak, Mahmoud Terabane, Julie Tran.
It's Dr. Senior here. I just wanted to add my congratulations to you all. What an adventure we've had over the past 4 years, especially since March 2020. So many thanks to you all for your patience and understanding over the past few months especially, and just wanted to wish you all the very best for all your future adventures. Don't forget to keep in touch, and certainly whenever you're passing the school or even by email, please do let us know how you're doing and if we can help you in any way. So now I'm going to move on, and I have the pleasure to give the awards for the class of 2021. The Alberta Dental Association and College Gold Medal, Reid Boulay. The Canadian Academy of Periodontology Award of Excellence, Nicholas Dublanco. The Dr. G.H. Gibb Memorial Prize, Reid Boulay. The Dr. James Zimmerman Scholarship, Tasha Ho. The Dr. W. Scott Hamilton Scholarship, Reid Boulay. Dr. Thomas J. Marry Award in Dentistry, Jennifer Drever. The James McCutcheon Honour Award, Nicholas Dublanco. The Arthur D. Cumming Medal, Taylor Ruther. The Dr. Glenn Zenith Award, Walter Unikiewicz. The Dr. Maxwell J. Lipkind Memorial Scholarship, Nicholas Dublanco. The Dentsply Sirona Endodontics Convocation Scholarship, Emily Sunwoo. The M.H. Garvin Scholarships in Dentistry, Patrick Cooney and Taylor Ruther. The Shine Dentistry Leadership Award, Eleanor Lacache. The Dr. Stanley S. Kusi Leadership Award, Emily Sunwoo. The American College of Prosthodontists Achievement Award, Patrick Cooney. The American Academy of Implant Dentistry Award, Reid Boulay. The American Academy of Oral and Maxillofacial Radiology Achievement Award, Eleanor Lacache. The 3M Oral Care Canada Student Clinical Award, Nicole Robbins. The American Association of Oral and Maxillofacial Surgeons Dental Implant Award, Eleanor Lacache. The American Association of Oral and Maxillofacial Surgeons Award, Reid Boulay. The American Association of Orthodontists Award, Mahmoud Tarabin. The Canadian Academy of Pediatric Dentistry Dr. Norman Levine Award, Murray Chostak. The American Academy of Oral and Maxillofacial Pathology Award, Patrick Cooney. The Canadian Dental Association Student Leadership Award, Emily Sunwoo. The American Dental Society of Anesthesiology Horace Wells Award, Reid Boulay. The American Academy of Periodontology Award, Nicholas Dublanco. Canadian Academy of Restorative Dentistry and Prosthodontics Scholar Award, Emily Sunwoo. And the American Academy of Oral Medicine Certificate of Merit, Emily Sunwoo.
Hey, class of 2021, congratulations. I just want to say one more thing for you guys. My famous saying is cross one bridge at a time. Good job. You guys did very well this year. I'll miss you. Take care.
I just want to say how great it's been looking after you this year. It was a super difficult year emotionally for everybody, and you guys knocked it out of the park. I know there were some difficult times, but you all did great, and it was such a pleasure getting to know each and every one of you. You'll always have a place in my heart, and I wish you all the best happiness in the world and great success. Take care, and I'll think of you often. Thank you.
Hi, every class has a character of its own, and this class has been especially nice. Nice to the instructors, nice to the staff, nice to the assistants, and nice to each other. It's been a real pleasure dealing with Team 3 and all of the other students I was lucky enough to work with. I'm very proud of you as colleagues that we are adding to our ranks. I wish you all good health, long lives, and successful, rewarding, and fulfilling careers.
All right, class of 2021, and especially Team 3. I want to thank you for a wonderful couple of years in the clinic and getting to know you over all 4 of your years. Team 3, I always joke that we always have the best team, but this year I know we had the best team. And it was a pleasure to work with you. It was so enjoyable to work with you in the clinic. As other people have said, this has been a really tough year, and I think it's been especially hard on your class. I think, you know, the class that graduated last year missed a few weeks, 6 weeks, and they had some difficulties, but you had to survive through this whole thing. So it's been really tough on you, and I think you've all come through it in flying colors. I just wish you all the best in the future, and thanks again for being such a great part of my career here as an educator.
Congratulations, Team 3!
Congratulations to the class of 2021.
2021, it's been a year. You survived it. We survived it. Best wishes to all of you.
I'll miss you. Congratulations, class of 2021. It's been a fun ride.
Class of 2021, it's been a pleasure working with you all. Congratulations, and best of luck to you all in private practice.
Congratulations to 2021. I am so happy you made it to this point. Thank you for letting me be part of your education. You've made my role as a teacher so much easier and pleasant. I've really appreciated our interactions. I am thrilled to have been part of this whole process with you. You've grown an incredible amount. I want to thank and congratulate your families and your friends for supporting you along this way. I want to make sure that you keep that book that I gave you and access it on a regular basis. Even when you don't think you need it, just keep it by you just in case. So good luck on your next venture. Stay in touch. We've got continuing education. We have mentoring if you need. Always reach out. Just always know that you're never alone. If something is not right, something doesn't feel right, just reach out to one of us, and we'll help you through these stages as well. That's part of being a family, part of being an alumnus. So again, congratulations to 2021. I am so happy for you, and if you need anything, reach out. Take care.
Wow, so you made it. So proud of all of you. Last couple years were a bit tough, but you made it through with grace and poise and such professionalism. I wish you all the best. Have a great summer. Virtual hug and congrats.
DDS 2021. Your moment has come. We've been waiting for this day for years, and it's finally here. I just wanted to say it's been a pleasure working with each and every one of you these last few years and seeing each of you grow as practitioners. And I just wanted to say you're all going to make excellent dentists out in the community. And yeah, I just wanted to wish you all the best and stay safe and don't be a stranger. Take care. Bye.
Hi, class of 2021. It's Dr. Lee and Dr. Wong from Peds.
We just wanted to wish you a huge congratulations on graduating this year. It hasn't been an easy journey, but you guys did a fantastic job.
But don't be strangers. If you ever need anything, you know where to find us. Congratulations once again.
Hi, class of 2021. All the best
Congratulations, class of 2021. Big shout out for my team 3. As you know, this is my office. This has been your home for the last 2 years. Many personal talks in this room, and I appreciate every one of you coming in. Please keep in touch the same way as through the email. And my advice I've always given through you throughout the years is find a receptionist as good as me. And also, you know you are a dentist. You worked hard, be strong, and you'll be fine and great out there. Congratulations. Good job.
I'd like to wish all the members of the School of Dentistry's class of 2021 a very successful future in their chosen profession of dentistry. Each of you will make different choices and have different experiences as you progress through your career as a dentist. There will be highs and there will be lows. Enjoy the highs and learn from the lows. There will be, I would like to also express my gratitude to the class for selecting me as the honorary class president. I find it a great honor and I'm very humbled by it. I wish you all luck and thank you.
Hi guys, that's the Mel's. Congratulations to you, class of 2021. Wishing you all the best on your future endeavors. Bye guys, take care.
Congratulations, class of 2021. I wish you all the best. Sorry we didn't get to work together for longer, but I do appreciate all the help while we did. So good luck.
Congratulations, class of 2021. I just wanted to wish you all the best in your careers. I know you're going to make great dentists. Spend quality time with your family and friends this summer. I'm very proud of you all. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll miss you all. And good luck to you all. Gonna miss you. Mwah.
Hey, class of 2021. You have all just worked through the last year and a half in the most difficult situation, and you made it look so easy. That's why I'm sure you will have no problems with any future challenges that come your way. To our amazing Team 3, we didn't get to see each other much up front this past year, and I would love the chance to get to know you even better, but I know enough to know that you will all go on to do great things and have hugely successful careers. I wish you all the best. I will miss you, and here's to the class of 2021.
Class of 2021. Congratulations. It's been, I bet it feels like it's been a long journey, but you've arrived, graduating, and we're so proud of you. You guys have acted in some very challenging circumstances with great professionalism and demonstration of dedication, and really believe that our profession will be in great hands as you go forward. I was thinking that it was actually 35 years ago that I graduated from this university, this dental school, and with some mixed feelings as you leave, from the experiences you've had at school, but with great anticipation. And dentistry is a great career, and we certainly wish you all the best in your next stages of life and the work that you do, and hope to be able to see you at various times and enjoy those associations for many years. Congratulations and best wishes. Thanks.
Congratulations, class of 2021. We'll miss you. You deserve the best summer you could possibly have. You guys work so hard. It's been a pleasure. I'll miss you all. Take good care. Bye.
Hi, Team 1. I just wanted to wish you all well. It's been a whirlwind year, and I know there's been a lot of restrictions and everything with your clinics, but you guys accepted it all well, and you did well. It's been a pleasure working with you all, and I really wish you all the best in your next phase of your career. I hope you all stay in touch, and congratulations, and take care. Please stay in touch.
Greetings, class of 2021. Just wanted to say how much I enjoyed having you here at U of A, and just wanted to wish you the best of luck as you move forward in your life, And as you move forward in your career, I just want to remind you what Confucius said, which is to know what you know and to know what you don't know is true knowledge. Thanks.